Useful Internet Marketing Tips for Beginners. Many people might be familiar with Internet marketing. However, not all have done it the right way, especially to the new marketers. We have some tips for newbie and hope these will help. Whether you are working for yourself or working for a known internet marketing company, you definitely have been into a newbie stage. At this stage of your career, you surely have done some mistakes. On the other hand, if you are one of these newbie internet marketers today, we have a few useful you can follow and somehow can help you achieve your dream of becoming a successful internet marketer. Keyword search. The first thing that you should do the moment you decide to do internet marketing is to learn how to do a proper or good keyword research. You might find keyword search an intimidating amount of work to do. However, all of the tips from ebooks, successful marketers, forums and more will tell you to do the proper and even better keyword search. You can use various tools in doing your keyword search. The Google keyword tool is just one of them and it is available free. This will be perfect for beginners who are not yet willing to spend huge amount of money. Squiddo or HubPages. Surely, you have heard of Squiddo already. As you continue to search for valuable information about internet marketing or affiliate marketing, Squiddo is free to register. You can create your own blog topic, start writing about the chosen topic, and start promoting your product. Other than Squiddo, HubPages is another useful tool that one can use in promoting his or her product or website. Like Squiddo, where you have to create lenses, HubPages will also require you to create your own page or HubPages to create promoting your product or services or affiliate link. Niche research. Whatever search engine optimization techniques you are using, choosing the right niche is definitely the most important thing to consider in order to succeed in internet marketing. Every successful internet marketers, even those in known SEO companies like those Boston search engine optimization companies, considers finding the right niche as the biggest trick. Niches that have low competition but a high amount of customers that are interested in the relevant products or services are the most optimal, as they allow for easier profits without having to deal with the expenses and work involved with outranking established competitors. With the above information-free web content, you surely now have a little idea on how to succeed in internet marketing. You can also hire one from a digital marketing agency and let them do the job at first and learn from them.